everybody, how's it going? Today we are working on building our fence for our new vegetable garden area, and this is going to be quite a process. We have, I think, 18 posts to set and everything, so that's going to be quite an ordeal, but I'm going to film as much of it as possible for you guys to see the transformation and how we're doing it and all that kind of stuff. And I will also be stopping to try to explain some things along the way as well. So let me first show you just kind of what we're using before we get into this project. Okay, so these are the posts that we are using. They are round posts that are 8 feet long. And they're going to be going 2 feet into the ground, and so 6 feet of the post will be above ground, and that's how tall our fence is. So I started laying out some of the posts here, and obviously I know those aren't straight, but I kind of wanted to start seeing what it was going to look like. And now we are in my garage where the rest of my supplies are, but here is the metal fencing that we're going to be using. It is like a metal wire fence that is then coated in black coating of some sort. So it is 72 inches high, and this is a 50-foot roll. We have 3 rolls because I believe we're covering 100 and I don't remember how much feet, but 3 rolls is enough. And it is 2 by 3 inch spacing between the holes here. That's what that's talking about. And then I have some 1x4s here, pressure treated 1x4s that are 8 feet long, that are going to be the top rail of our fence as well. So our plan is to staple the metal fencing here to our wooden posts, or round wooden posts, and then put these 1x4s across the top as like an extra support for that. We are going to be like half concreting in these wooden posts. We're going to put about a half a bag of concrete in each hole and stamp that down really good, and then finish the rest of it with dirt. So that's basically it for the material list that we're going to be using today. It's a fairly simple process. We're just going to be putting in the posts and securing them up today. It's not that complicated, but it is a lot of work. So we'll see how it goes and see how far we get with it today. I would love to get them all in and maybe even start tacking up the fence, but that's probably wishful thinking. And side note, I was thinking only I would pick the category or profession that I would choose to share on YouTube, where I'm always dirty and sweaty and terrible looking, but it is what it is. Hey guys, it is a new day and all of the posts are in now, and today we are going to finish putting the wire fencing up to finish our fence. guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching our fence come together for our raised bed garden that we are making up here. It is almost complete except for one little section back here where we need to go get some more boards to finish the top rail. But other than that, it is all done. The beds are all set up. They all have the dirt in them. And I actually planted a few seeds the other day in this one bed and a chard plant that I had that actually wintered over here. So let me show you that real quick. So this is the first of the beds to get some plants in it. Here's a little chard plant that I have. It actually wintered over, which I was surprised about. It looks pretty good too. I have some more chard that I'm going to be putting in here with it. And then I planted some lettuce, some spinach, and some beets in here as well. And then I'm going to be planting, there's stuff hanging on that right now, but I'm going to be planting some peas growing up that trellis here in a few days. And I have a whole bunch more stuff that I just picked up at the garden center that we're going to be putting up here. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this come together. We'll see you in the next video.